Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have 7 new Born Pretty stamping plates, and I'm going to do a little compilation video showing you how to use these 7 stamping plates in 6 different nail art designs. As always, I'll link the products that I use down in the description box below, and be sure to check out bornprettystore.com for some really fun nail art supplies and get 10% off including sale items using my code MGL10. So this first design is a really simple negative space geometric design using Born Pretty Geometry L001 stamping plate. I'm going to prep my nails with UNT's Ready for Takeoff Base Coat from NAILSTUFF.CA and apply 1 layer of China Glaze Fairy Dust to my nails. Then I'm going to use Salon Perfect's Oil Slick and stamp this vertical design. I'm going to scrape it off and pick it up with my clear stamper and place it right down the middle of my nail. Then I'm going to seal it off with Salon Perfect Crystal Clear Top Coat. And that's it for the first design. The second design is a layered stamping design using 2 Born Pretty stamping plates. The first one is Valentine's Day L008 and the second one is Love in Europe A001. I'm going to start by applying a base coat and then 2 coats of Salon Perfect Cut to the Chase. And then on all my fingers I'm going to be applying Edge Perfection around my nail for easy cleanup. Then I'm going to use a white stamping polish on this heart design from the Valentine's Day plate and stamp this on all of my nails. On my middle finger I'm also going to stamp this silhouette of a couple using Salon Perfect Oil Slick. Then I'm going to remove the Edge Perfection from all my nails and apply a fast drying top coat to seal it in. And here's the finished design. This next nail art design is going to be using Born Pretty Spring Garden L008 stamping plate. I'm going to start with 2 coats of Salon Perfect's Frolic with Me and then apply Edge Perfection Easy Peel Polish Barrier just around the cuticle area. Then I'm going to be stamping this sunflower design using Salon Perfect Oil Slick, and I'm going to be doing some reverse stamping using my custom engraved nail brushes from NAILSTUFF.CA. I'm going to fill in the center of the sunflower with Nails Inc Afternoon Mocha from the Caffeine Hit collection, and then I'm going to fill in the leaves using Pure Ice's Showstopper. This detail brush makes it so easy to fill in the little details of this design. Once I'm done painting in the design, I'm going to stamp it right around my cuticle area so that part of the sunflower hangs off. And I'm going to finish the design by removing the Edge Perfection and applying a fast drying top coat. And here's the finished design. This next design is using the Harunoda L071 stamping plate from Born Pretty, and I'm going to be applying a base coat and then 2 coats of Salon Perfect ballerina slippers as my base. I'm going to create a cherry blossom design using the 2 images on the top left of this plate. I'm going to start by stamping the trunk in Sinful Colors Nirvana, and then stamping the leaves using first Salon Perfect Eat Your Heart Out, then Good Vibes, and then Strawberry Spritzer. The stamper that I'm using today in all of these nail art designs is the Clear Jelly Stamper from NAILSTUFF.CA, and be sure to check out their site for a bunch of really fun nail art tools and customized nail art brushes like you saw earlier. I'm going to finish off this design by applying a fast drying top coat, and here's the finished design. For the next design, I'm going to be using Harunoda's L072 stamping plate to create this dry brush sunset scene design. I'm going to apply 2 coats of Sally Hansen's Sun Kissed as my base, and then I'm going to use Sally Hansen Warm Regards Pure Ice Showstopper and Sally Hansen Sun Kissed for the dry brush design. In order to create this pattern, you're going to want to wipe off all the excess polish that's on the brush until you pretty much have a dry brush, and then swipe whatever's left on your brush across the nail in a horizontal pattern. Once the dry brush is done, I'm going to be stamping this large scene pattern on the bottom right hand of this stamping plate, and I'm going to start stamping from my index finger all the way to my pinky finger just so that I have the continuity of the scene. And then I'm going to finish off by applying a matte top coat. And here's the finished design. This final orchid design was inspired from Bianca from NB Nail Art, and I'm going to start by applying a base coat and then 2 coats of Starly's Magic Rainbow that I got from NAILSTUFF.CA. I'm going to be using Born Pretty Spring Garden L00 stamping plate and stamping this orchid outline using Salon Perfect Oil Slick. Then I'm going to do some reverse stamping using my favorite detail brushes from NAILSTUFF.CA and filling in the center of the orchid with Salon Perfect Oh Snap and the outside leaves using Nails Ink Whiteout. I'm going to stamp that onto my nail and then use the same detail brush and oil slick to paint on a stem. Then I'm going to finish it off by applying a fast drying top coat, and you're done. Here's the finished design. So here's a final look at all 6 designs that I did today using the 7 Born Pretty stamping plates. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know in the comments if you like this compilation style video or if you'd like the regular one design videos better. And be sure to check out bornprettystore.com for some fun nail art supplies and get 10% off your purchase including sale items using my code MGL10. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you recreate any of these designs, be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram so I can see.